Welcome back to IO, I'm your bacon overlord Johnny Rogers, and if you happen to be new here, we take the most interesting news stories on the internet and then make them more entertaining. So to never miss another story, click that subscribe button, plus follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, we got them all. And make sure you guys stay all the way until the end because that's where I handpick some of your comments and read them out. You're not gonna wanna miss that. A 2-year-old girl from the UK is absolutely baffling the medical community. Little Isla Kilpatrick-Screaton has become the first person in the world to suffer from Benjamin Button disease. Technically speaking, the exact medical explanation is progeria or mandibuloacral dysplasia, which is commonly referred to as Benjamin Button disease. It causes those affected by it to look prematurely aged. After various tests were done, doctors were left utterly confused by the mutation in her genes. It was something that they had really never even seen before. Her parents were even more shocked when medical consultants urged them to start Googling because even they couldn't tell them what exactly was wrong. I mean, poor Isla, she had a whole host of medical issues before receiving this final notice of her condition even. When she was just 10 months old, she had to be rushed to hospital after turning blue. Her tongue had been blocking her narrow airway whenever she would become upset, and because of this, doctors had to perform a tracheostomy, which meant that Isla would be unable to cry as a result, which just makes me want to cry. Due to her disorder, her cells began to age rapidly, making her appear older as I mentioned before. It also increases her risk for conditions such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, hardened arteries, plus kidney and heart disease. The aberrant strain of her disorder is marked by an underdeveloped lower jaw and collarbone, skin deterioration, as well as selective fat loss and bones disappearing from the tips of fingers and toes. At 2 years old, she can't speak and has only just now begun to start crawling and walking with the aid of a frame. To speak, Isla uses sign language, but her mother Stacy states that Isla makes herself understood and is very clear. She says that she is very expressive and communicative with her parents and older sister Paige. The only thing left for this family is to just kind of take it all in stride until more information can be learned. Her mother said in a statement to local news, "She's extremely small and frail though. I joke and call her grandma. She really keeps us on our toes and she really is a character. We're looking forward to Christmas." Now there are usually two types of disorders here, A or B, but Isla's mutation doesn't meet either of those categorical definitions. Her mother has also found that there are only 7 examples ever in medical literature of this disorder, but none of them is this particular mutation. Last year, an 11-year-old who suffered from Hutchinson's Gilford progeria became widely known on the internet for the premature aging disease, which did help raise a little bit of awareness, although Isla's father is now focused on raising awareness of the disease to help Isla and other children that might have it in the future. I mean, it's fantastic that her parents are able to stay optimistic considering that every doctor largely had no answer for what they could do. That would kill me. That would just make you feel hopeless. They did inform Stacy that Isla's condition was not life-limiting, but the health-related concerns as she ages could affect her later in life. Also, I just wanted to say that we here with the IO team wish Isla and her family a very Merry Christmas, and hopefully in 2020 the medical community can make further advancements in treating her condition. With that said, let's check out some of your comments from the video titled Top 10 YouTubers that are mean in real life. Jackie Rayo says, "Hey Johnny! Hey Jackie!" Bougie Lollipop says, "They are not even mean, just straight up rude." That seems like the same thing to me. But maybe we can do another list, top 10 YouTubers that are rude in real life, if you think they're different. Tiger Gray says, "That kill prank honestly traumatized me." Yeah, that was very uncalled for. Very uncalled for. Assassination says, "Thank you for remembering the captions lately, muchly appreciated." You're welcome, we're doing our best, but unfortunately YouTube does demonetize us sometimes for putting in captions, so we'll include them while we can. Batman Fan Forever 08 says, "Hey Johnny, I have a question. What is up with your t-shirt? It looks like your v-neck got eaten by a regular t-shirt." It's called a thermal shirt, dude, and I need it because it's so cold here in Canada right now. Thank you for watching InformOverload, and if you enjoyed this video, then show us some love here by tapping that like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you give us a follow on Instagram for tons of behind the scenes content. Links for that will be in the description below. Plus, while you're there, why don't you leave us a comment with your thoughts on this story, and for more videos like this one, just click that playlist when it pops up on your screen. From IO, my name is Johnny Rogers, and until the next time we meet, take care. Let's see if I can get it. You're not gonna wanna miss that. You're not gonna wanna miss that. Either or, there's 2 takes for you. 2 takes Johnny. Or like 20 takes Johnny. A 2-year-old girl is Technically speaking, the exact medical explanation of progeria and mandibuloacral. Okay. Technically speaking, the exact medical mandibuloacral. And because of this, doctors had to perform a tracheostomy. Tracheostomy, okay. That burp.